How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I am here in Bangkok, Thailand at ANP Performance. Now, I did a video here last year when they were just moving in, but I want to give you a shop update and tour. Part of my thing that I'm doing here in Thailand, just kind of walking you through it, a couple cool places that I get to visit. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor, go and hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. I definitely would appreciate it. Also, if you follow our socials, links in the description below, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I know I've been lagging on posts lately and all that. I promise I'll do better. Life's been busy. So let's get started. So just to give you an overview, ANP Performance specializes in Audi, V-Dub, and they do stage type package upgrades here in Thailand. They are the top shop for that. They do a lot of really cool, crazy high horsepower cars, and they have a lot of cars just around their lot. So I wanted to do a walkthrough of that before we go into the shop and do some, cover some of the cool, interesting, and unique builds that they do. So let me go ahead and show you around back here, and let me flip the camera on. I know this is not the most exciting part of the video. It's a bunch of Audi A4s and so forth. They have a huge collection of cars here, and they have some random stuff here. Look, for instance, this EG 4-door has a set of T 37s, aka reps. Thailand's notorious for having lots of T37 rep wheels. In the event that you do come across a real set here in Thailand, it's considered a huge deal. This one doesn't have an engine. I can peek through the gap in the hood. They sometimes have these random cars here that, oh, here's a fake Kirky seat. It says, I don't know if you can see, it says Kibki. Yeah, so random project. Here's an A8. Some more randomness back here. Here's a Lancer. Is it an Evo? No, it's not. Some Golf 3s. There's my cousin Beam. He's doing his social media content. Don't let. He's doing his live broadcast. Have an R8 shell / chassis here. Yep, yeah, it's been wrecked. We got a couple way more A4s, Golfs, Passats, so forth. Let me walk towards the front of the shop and give you an inside shop tour. Here's their tow truck, slide truck. And here is a Evo. Where's the hood latch? There it is. So yeah, this is a built Evo. I don't know what the horsepower rating is, but it's been sitting out here for a long time. As you can see, it's got some crust going on. Some more of the cars they have here. Here's various parts and engines. Underneath here it's transmission and engines they have sitting out. Just have tons and tons of just random stuff everywhere. But they do put together some pretty amazing Volkswagen Audis and several other cars. There's another track car that is being built. I think it's a project's been kind of stalled. It's got a full cage setup in there with crossbars. Last year, I don't want to go back there so I can see spider webs. That is a Volkswagen Bug with a Subaru engine in it. It's a lot of, I can see spider webs from here. I'm not going back there. No thanks. couple other street cars. This was a Nissan Safiro with a 2J swap, or no, sorry, 1J swap that was inside the building last year. It's just sitting here now. No idea why this is here. I find this pretty hilarious. This one's interesting. See a front mount intercooler, E46. What engine does it have? Let's see if I can open the hood. Oh, look at that. 2JZ GTE swapped E46. Yeah, it needs a lot of TLC, but still pretty dope. Running an HKS GT3 turbo. So yeah, this one's been sitting for a minute, as you can tell, but really cool project. I wonder how much power it makes when it's done, or what they're aiming for. It's another BMW. Here's one of their drag cars, their street version with the vinyl wrap. Mark III. Cool sticker. Then here is one of the, this is one of the shop cars. Really nice. Just simple, clean, more my style. All right, let's go ahead and go in the shop and see what's inside. This is one of their shop race cars. Don't want to dig in too much, but there's a lot going on. Have a few customer cars here and stuff too. All the techs working on stuff, getting stuff done. Oh wow, very nice, very nice. Right here is a Gallardo. I think this is their race car project that they're building later. It's just chilling for now. Or it might be a customer's car. I know they had a Gallardo that they're gonna be building for track. So not drag racing, but actual road course. It's one of the other shop cars. See some of the work that they do. Oh look, they have a half cut right there. Audi A5. Here is the EK that was kind of like my personal taxi last year. Beam driving me around this thing. Pretty cool. Right here is a F30 BMW with the engine out. So it's probably getting built right now. One of the larger projects. Here's another Golf. Everything's torn apart and out too. So yeah, they work on a huge variety of stuff. Yeah, this shop is way more up. There's more spider webs right there. I'm not gonna go over there. This shop works on a lot of stuff, so the shop's starting to get kind of packed. Let me come back around this way. So just lots of random stuff everywhere. My OCD's kicking in, but I gotta tell myself it's not my shop. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for Art to get back and show you his cool toy that he's most likely finished up already. about to go for a ride with Beam.
Ride with me.
Hold on. Let me get
Ratio of boost แต่แม่งเปิดกระจกไม่ได้อ่ะเฮียถ้าเปิดกระจกได้มันจะเพราะมากไง minor problem อย่างเงี้ย
Hold on. All right, give me your phone.
It's okay เมื่อกี้ผมก็นี่
Video.
พาไมกี้ไป
All right, so Beam's driving the orange demo car. Now I'm going for a ride in it.
Yes of course อันนี้บูสต์แค่1 bar นะ
This is 1 bar of boost, VR6 stock internals. Omar was saying it was about mid fives at the wheel, all-wheel drive, so pretty fast. And just as FYI, the roads here in Thailand are absolutely horrible, so traction, a little bit of an issue. But yeah.
That's a boost
Yeah, it's pretty good.
smooth นะ
Yeah, very smooth.
smooth
Yeah. Yep, power delivery is nice. Just wish we had really nice.
very smooth
Hey, this is my buddy Omar. He's going to introduce himself and what he does.
Hi, this is Omar here from Thailand Private Tuning. We do custom tune for the European cars, and for the standalone, we do modify, we do maintenance, everything for the cars in Thailand. Yep.
Yeah, did you want to talk about this car that I just rode in with Beam?
This is a unique car. It's a VR6, Volkswagen VR6 3.2 liter. Still on stock ECU, stock engine, stock clutch, stock gearbox, DQ 250. We put a turbo on it, and it runs perfect, almost 600 horsepower, and I want you to see that.
Yeah. How many foot-pounds of torque was it making?
We do Newton here,
Yeah.
so it's 800 Newton meter at the wheels, so you guys can do the calculation on that.
Yeah, I just rode in it and it's very, very nice.
Yeah.
It feels good.
Just add 0.9 to 1 bar boost.
Okay, cool.
On stock ECU, we do custom patch from NA engines, NA ECU, and we modified, we custom patch it to a turbo. So it took a lot of time for us to finish this car, and now it is drivable and can be daily driving as well.
Yeah, it runs great.
Yeah.
Would you mind opening the hood
Yes,
so you can
sure.
see the setup? Thank you. Yeah, so I took a ride in this earlier in the video that you saw the clip. It runs really solid. The only drawback is Thai streets, Thai pavement isn't the greatest. So the car's an all-wheel drive, but still it wasn't hooking up the greatest. But here's the engine. You want to, I guess, go over some of the setup that you've
this
done?
is it's a PSR turbo on 64, 62. We have bush controller, but it's still on internal wastegate with blow valve, and on stock engines with upgrade airflow, and on E85 and on the 1,200cc injectors.
Very nice.
On stock ECU, yeah.
Very nice. Yep. Stock reflash.
Yeah. We
Very
have
cool.
fuel regulator here.
It's kind of dark, but
I'll give you a startup.
Well, he's gonna give a start. Customer's street car. But cool.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks, Omar. Appreciate
No problem. Thanks.
your time. Thank you.
Thank you.